All right, this is PA School Wannabe, and what I wanted to do in this video is kind of show you some objectives that you could possibly see during week one of your organic chemistry class. So when I took organic chemistry, it was a 7-week course, and these were the objectives for week one. Now, tips, when I first took organic chemistry, I should say, I took it right after Gen Chem 2, so immediately after. So I was well aware of pretty much objectives 1 through 7, because this is pretty much stuff that I recently just seen. Now, for yourself, if you are just starting organic chemistry or you kind of took a long break between, you'll want to kind of refresh yourself on General Chemistry 1 and Gen Chem 2. Now, going to the objectives themselves, it starts pretty basic and pretty simple. So you'll identify ionic and covalent bonds. You'll deduce Lewis dot structure, use valence bond theory to predict hybridization. And this kind of objectives 4 is kind of where I started to learn about new stuff, because that's when I started to learn to write the condensed and skeletal structures. And then number 5 was determine relationship between bond length. Kind of already knew that. Predict the bond polarity, kind of knew that, along with identifying the acid and bases. And then with number 8 was produce mechanisms that of reactions between acids and nucleophile electrophiles. Now that was completely new to me. It took a little bit to kind of spin myself up on it, but wasn't too bad. But again, if you are just now starting your organic chemistry course, I just wanted to kind of share some week one objectives or some stuff that you could look into now before taking the course. So that way you can have some type of familiarization. And then kind of something that I have that can help people is if you go to my Organic Chemistry 1 playlist, I have kind of problems that I solved during my time as being an Argo student. So for the most part, like I said, I got out of Argo 1 and 2 with 100%. So really didn't find it complicated because I had such a strong foundation in general chemistry for the most part. But if you wanted to learn something, or if you kind of just wanted a spot to really start picking this stuff up, go to my playlist. Specifically, you can start with like the older videos, such as 52, learn about the properties of subatomic particles. And then from there, it eventually leads to how to draw the skeletal structure and whatnot. Again, I wanted to be brief with this video because, like I said, it's just an introduction as you start again chemistry, kind of a pre-type video showing some stuff from the syllabus to help out or try to help you as a student. But as always, if this channel helped you, please feel free to like or share my content. Thank you. It'll help out a lot.